Alrighty, so working on this differential, I decided to go ahead and rebuild it because I have the pinion seal leak, axle seals leaking, and then at the same time going with a limited slip. So they make a bearing called a repair bearing that changes the position of where the seal makes contact with the axle. But so this axle right here, this is bad. This is grooved really bad. We can see the signs of where it had been leaking. So a seal and a bearing, that's not gonna fix this. Let's look at my other one. This one doesn't have that groove, but we got some wear here from the seal. So like on this case, a repair bearing would be okay, so that I could move the contact pattern. So whenever I got my limited slip, I went ahead and got the axles as well. So that's what I'll be doing, is I'll be replacing the axles. So here I got my wheel bearing. So it's been riding for a while and wore into the axle, but it slipped. But yeah, this one, a repair bearing is not gonna help that one. It's too far gone. So